Hey traders, in this video, we are looking at the velocity V2 indicator for MT4. This advanced momentum-based tool measures the speed and strength of price movements, helping traders identify accelerating trends and potential exhaustion points. In this video, you will see how the velocity V2 works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The Velocity V2 indicator MT4 is an advanced momentum-based trading tool designed to measure the speed and strength of price movements with enhanced precision. It is a powerful technical tool designed to measure the average speed at which price changes within a given time frame, providing insights into momentum acceleration and deceleration. It analyzes the rate of price change rather than just direction. The Velocity V2 helps traders identify when momentum is building, when trends are accelerating, and when exhaustion may be approaching. You can already see the indicator on the charts. The Velocity V2 typically displays as a histogram or line oscillator in a separate window below the main price chart. Rising velocity readings indicate accelerating price movements and strengthening momentum, while declining velocities suggest decelerating price action or potential exhaustion. The indicator may include color changes to distinguish between increasing and decreasing velocity, with threshold levels marking zones of extreme speed that often precede reversals or breakouts. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have. So we can adjust the velocity period, the slow, and the MA mode. We can also choose our preferred colors and also set our preferred time frames. Alright, as for who is for, the Velocity V2 indicator is suitable for momentum traders who want to quantify the speed of price changes, scalpers seeking fast signals on lower time frames, and trend followers who need confirmation of trend acceleration. It works well when combined with moving averages for trend direction, supports and resistance for entry zones, or other momentum oscillators like RSI for multi-layered confirmation. However, the indicator measures speed of change rather than predicting future direction, can generate false signals during choppy conditions, and should be used with proper risk management and additional technical confirmation tools. You can download the Velocity V2 indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how measuring the speed and strength of price movements can provide valuable momentum insights for trend confirmation and exhaustion detection. If you like momentum indicators that quantify velocity and acceleration, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.